I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to How To Fridays. This week I'm showing you 5 different ways that you can fold your napkin so that next time you have a dinner party, you can be a little bit extra. So if you want to know how, then keep on watching. So the first one I'm going to be making is water lily, and it's the easiest one you will ever have to make. And for this you're going to need a glass that you will be using, or a small glass. You want to open the napkin completely, and then from the corners, from every corner, you want to fold it in to the center. Now that you have done that and you have gotten a smaller square, you want to fold in the corners again. Now that you have that done, you have a really small square, and I'm keeping my hands on the center so they don't open. But what you want to do is, now with the side that is folded in, you turn it over and you fold it into the middle again. Now you want to take your glass, put it in the middle, and what you have is underneath each corner, you lift it up and you grab the loose part and you fold it up like this. There's only one loose part to grab, so you will not make a mistake. Okay, now that you've done that, in between the petals, you will find another one that is loose. And then you just simply remove the glass and you have yourself a water lily. Napkin number 2 is a peacock. I have not seen this folded on YouTube. I've seen pictures on how it's folded, but I've never seen a folding video. So here it is. Open it up completely, and what we want to do is put it, I have to put it this way so that you will see better, but basically from this corner you want to fold this in to the center. And if you're worried about finding the center, there's literally a cross in the middle right here. And you do the same on the other side. And now you have something that looks like a kite, and you fold it in again to the center. So what you're left with is something that looks like this. Now you want to flip this pointy end up, and you want it to go a little bit past these lines right here. Press. Then you want to flip this down. Just flip it down. And now you want to take this whole piece and fold it in half. Squeeze on the head, get your glass. And there you have the peacock. This is what it looks like from this side. Number 3 is the fan. The fan is also, again, a very simple fold. What you want to do is unfold it so it's like this. It doesn't matter which side you start on, meaning it doesn't matter if this is on this side or if it's on the other side. That doesn't matter. But what you want to do is fold it in like an accordion. So you want something that looks like this at this point. And then you want to fold it in half. And you want this to be folded in half like this. Then you have something that looks like this. What you want to do then is fold this down. This is the fan part, and you want to fold this right next to the fan. So that now it looks like this. Then with this part right here, you want to fold it over to the side. Then you want to place it, and you have a fan. Number 4, a bishop's hat. This is again a very simple one. So what you want to do is open it so that it looks like this. Then what you want to do is, let me show you from this angle. You want to take one napkin from one corner and make a triangle. What you then want to do is take from the opposite and make a triangle at the middle. So now you have something that looks like this. Now what you want to do is flip it over so it looks like this. You have a diagonal here and here. Now what you want to do is take the lower side and flip it up. Make sure you take the pointy side out, and you want to fold it at the edge. So now it looks like this. What you want to do is open this, fold this inside, make sure this triangle is folded in half. Now you don't want to press here because then there's going to be a line here. You don't want to press here at all. Don't press. Then you flip this over. And then you flip this over so that you can do the same on the other side. You want to bring this in. And make sure you do not fold, you do not press here. Now with this piece, you want to lift this side up a little bit. Just open here, put this inside. Make sure it aligns. Now yours should look something like this. And what you want to do is at the bottom, you take these two apart and you put your hands inside so that you can do this. And so it will look like this on inside. There you have it, a bishop's hat. Number 5 is birds of paradise. What you want to do is make sure it's lays this way. And you want to make sure that these have the two openings. This one is closed right here, and you want to make sure it lays down that way. And what you want to do is bring this corner that has the two sides here and the closed one here. You want to bring that down into this corner. Just make a triangle. press the fold. Now what you want to do, I'm going to show you from this angle, but with this triangle you want to go from this side and get it down the middle so that it looks like this, and do the same on the other side. So now you have something that looks like a spaceship. What you want to do is take these, and you have this side, and you want to fold it over, both of them. So now again you have a different kind of spaceship slash triangle. Make sure this is pressed quite nicely. What you then want to do is take this and fold it in half. Just fold it in half. I like to press here to make sure that it's secure when it stands on its own. Now the great thing about this is now you have all these little folds right here, right? You want to take the first one and you want to bring it up. You take the next one. Then you will have something that looks like this. So those are the 5 napkins that I have for you today, and if you do the last one, the Birds of Paradise, in green, you can definitely pull it off as a dinosaur, because I had a boy tell me it looked like a dinosaur. So if you want to have that for a birthday party, you can definitely do that. Just make sure it's a dinosaur color. So if you liked the video, leave a like down below, and if you want me to do more napkin videos, leave a comment down below and let me know. And if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. I upload my how-to Fridays every Friday at 7 o'clock Norwegian time, which makes it about 2 o'clock New York time. And with that, I want to say thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!